Good morning. I'm about to charge this thing. Starting to run out of battery again. Yes, I've got 2 more batteries. Yes, I don't like having to change them out all the time. So here we are, headed into the shop. It's cold this morning. Ordered a new heater. If I'd actually just take Bob up on the offer he gave me. He's got a gas heater, like an actual shop gas heater that he offered me for in exchange for some stuff that I have. So anyway, I got this heater right here. We're gonna see how well this works. It actually has propane hooks up to it. It's supposed to be 2,500 square feet. I don't know. That's got, the shop here is 900 square feet, 60,000 BTUs. We'll see how well it does. I'm gonna put it in this corner and aim it out that way, and we'll see how that goes. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go visit the guys over at the gas station, and then I'll be back and we'll open this up. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Look, got my old fashioned. If I learn how to use it. There we go. I think I need to sharpen this. Alright. Almost there. This is almost like the LED sign unpacking or unboxing. Well, that's a big son of a bitch. A lot bigger than I thought it would be. Hold it by the handle, fold it out, let everything else fall. Ta-da! And that's it. Those are the 2 things. And all this is the regulator for the propane. Jeez, that's a long ass propane hose. It is huge. It's definitely, I think it's going to be better than 6 foot. Yeah, let's see. At the first, basically 6 foot right there. And then we'll do 6. It's cold outside, so this is not wanting to unravel. And then we'll do another 6. That's 12. What, 13, 14, about 15 foot of heater hose or propane hose, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so there's that. It's got the regulator on the end, so you can plug it right up to your propane tank. See if I can get this all to cut off right. Remember, kids, don't cut towards yourself. I really need to sharpen this knife. I don't ever use it. Alright, so there's that. That's odd. And that screws into the side over here. I have not prepared, so please excuse me if I'm sitting here staring at shit for too long. Get all my boxes right there. Man. So yeah, this is huge. It's at the highest point, 16 inches tall, about 21 inches long. If we go this way, 1 foot wide. all the other videos you've seen. It's got this opening. Oh, this is beveled, so it actually directs the heat a little bit more, so it's not gonna hit the outside edges. Saw one guy when he was doing his video, he actually had his hands on the outside while it was on and heat. Well, they made this so that you can't take it off. That's crazy. And then there's actually a spot for this to go right in there. So I guess it won't catch on fire there. But that way you always have your instructions with you. Take this off right here so we can put this on. That. Go ahead and get one of these little monkey wrenches. Give that a little crank down. So that's good. Get my propane tank. I never realized there was threads on the inside of that. Did you? I've only dealt with the ones that screw in on the outside of these. Why have I never had one that screws on the inside? All right, let's make sure there's no leaks. No leaks. I don't smell anything. That means there's no leaks. All right, let's get some of this trash out of the way. It comes with all your instruction booklets, but who needs those? All they do is slow you down. So we got to put a battery in it. These are my old batteries instead of a charging cord. Power on, and the fan kicks on. Okay. Once it lights, you got to hold it for a little bit. There. And immediately, well, there's some huge heat coming out of that. I've got it on low. I don't know if you can see the light in there. Just don't go to the light. Yeah, that's definitely pushing that out a lot. I've got these other heaters over here from Harbor Freight if I needed to. See these ones right here? These ones work really good too, but they don't have a fan in them to direct heat. So what I do is I'll put it underneath the ceiling fan up there when I don't have nothing in the middle, and then that'll help to circulate it. But this will actually blow it, and then I can put a fan on there. Ooh. Holy shit. Yeah, the heat's going. It's going from there. It's actually going up this way. Coming up. So if I reach up here, it's blowing up more than it's doing anything else because heat rises. Jesus. Hot down here. Oh, that thing puts off a bunch of heat. I'm willing to bet it's actually gonna heat this whole shop up. My shop is basically like 30 by 30, so it's like 900 square feet, and that's supposed to be able to do 2,500 square feet. And I honestly think it's. I'll have to put the ceiling fan on, that way I can pull the heat from up top down, or push it up and around. But yeah. So there you have it, folks. I don't have one of them little guns where you can check the temperature. All I know is it's hot. It's hot. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Go out and get you one of these. These are freaking huge. Do I have any links to it? No. Do I have any more information on it? No. All I know is what I said. And I think, yeah, Home Depot's got them for 150 bucks. I don't know if you can find them for a little bit cheaper. But that thing is putting off some freaking heat. And now that it's all the way fully hot, yeah, everything on the outside of this is not hot at all. But right here, I can't keep my hand right there. Ow. And that's a foot away. So make sure you don't aim this at anything. Otherwise, you're gonna blow it all up. So yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, and we will talk to you guys on the next video. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah, we're gonna be talking about that next. Later, guys. So I did a thing, me and my wife did. Bought this from a neighbor. Thank you, Bob. This is a 1989 Lincoln Town Car. It runs a little rough. It's got about 95,000 miles on it. Power everything. My wife is calling me. Hello, baby. Hey. From you. Yeah. Yep. So I'm doing my video right now, right in the middle of it. It's okay. Love you too. Bye, baby. So yeah, there it is. It's in pretty good shape. I mean, the rag top is, or whatever that is, the soft top, it's a little rough. I've heard that these are fairly easy to pop off. We'll have to see about that and then see if we can, I'm thinking maybe put a thin piece of soft foam on top of this and then rewrap it. Maybe that would work. I don't know. Give me some comments, or should I just remove it and go from there? Because kind of afraid what it's going to look like underneath this once we get that off. So maybe I could just glue another piece on top of it. I don't know. I'm just talking out of my head. I know I could, I mean, I could probably tuck most of it if I was to just rewrap it and shove everything down in here. The only thing is these pieces would have to get redone too, and I don't know how. So, but what we're doing right now is doing a full tune-up. Took me some paracord, and that way I can tie up my little light right here. Last video you saw, I've got that heater going. It is like, I literally have had this on. This morning was like low 30s. And I just turned it on like not even 20 minutes ago, and it's already starting to feel warm in here. I've got it aimed at the ceiling fan up there from over here. And the ceiling fan is blowing down, so the heat is literally flowing up over the ceiling fan, and then that's blowing it down. And everywhere I walk in the shop is already warmer. I mean, it's still cool, but 20 minutes of this thing running, and it is just unbelievable how that one little heater is doing all that. I'm gonna plug my sign in. There's no sense in buying something if you don't use it. Boom. Did it focus? So yeah, we're giving this, we're naming it Big Bertha. That was, Bertha was actually Gina's mom's birth name. So we're building this, we're gonna do this build in honor of Mom. And we're gonna go red and white because she loved the Razorbacks, Arkansas Razorbacks. So we're gonna do it in red and white all the way. We probably may not have like any Razorback symbols, that's to be determined. But for now, red and white is what this will end up being, which is already pretty much there. So